विसवा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. राज्यांत जुनाच्या पयल्या आठवड्यात पावस दाखल जाला. आतां मेरेन पेडण्यात सगळ्यांत चड पावस म्हळ्यार 91 सेंटीमीटर पावस नोंद जाला अशी माहिती पणजे हवामान खात्यान दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
24 hours monsoon has been weak over Goa considering to what it was 48 hours ago. We did not receive any extremely heavy rainfall, but what we received is a very heavy rainfall recorded at Parnam, which is 7 centimeters of rain. So if we are taking the cumulative rainfall over Goa state for this monsoon season starting from 1st of June, we have received almost 25% of rain, that is higher than the normal value. Now if you are taking the station wise measurement of rain, then till now for this season Parnam has recorded the highest amount of cumulative rainfall, that is almost 91 centimeters of rain starting from 1st of June. At second place, the highest most recorded was from Ella, Old Goa, that is 87 centimeters of rain. Now third is actually Panaji. Panaji has reported 80 centimeters of rain till now in this particular monsoon season. Regarding the weather features that is existing now, there are multiple weather features around Goa that is capable enough of strengthening the monsoon. So we have a offshore trough, we have a circulation at about 4.5 kilometers height from surface. Then we have something called a shear zone. So monsoon is expected to be in between normal and active phases for this particular week. For today we have issued orange alert in the sense we are expecting very heavy rainfall at isolated locations in Goa. Very heavy rainfall comes in the category of 6 cm to 12 centimeters. So that is there for today, and from tomorrow and day after tomorrow we are expecting isolated heavy rainfall at isolated places. And further again we are expecting the rainfall to increase on 4th and 5th day. So since all these informations are updated based on the latest available data, I would suggest that please be updated from the website of IMD Goa regarding the rainfall. For fishermen, actually today we have a warning. We have a warning issued for fishermen that they should not venture into sea for next 24 hours due to the wind speed as well as the current speed. And as I told, till now the rainfall has been 25% higher than the normal value, which is considered to be above normal for this particular season. But again, monsoon has its great range of variability. So after we have to wait till end of the monsoon season, and hopefully it will be a normal monsoon as IMD has already predicted.